Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back in the video. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you the Puma Core sweatshirt, I believe. Puma Core Crew sweatshirt. Let me see what it's called. Small logo. Puma Core small logo Crew sweatshirt. Yeah. How much did I pay for this? I paid 25 for this. What's the price on this? Does it say? Normally gives you a price order. So £45, so you save 20 quid. It's not bad. Okay, so these joggers that I bought. The Puma ones as well. So these go with this pretty much. So I'm going to go ahead and open this now. I got it in a small size, so hopefully it fits me. So far everything has fit me. If you not watched my last videos, go check them out. Got like 5 different clothing items, so yeah. Let me take this out. Oi, 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 oi. That is very soft. I think this might have been made in India. Or somewhere else. The pants were made in Cambodia, that's why they weren't very, what do you call it? They weren't very soft compared to the ones made in India. Don't know where these were made, it doesn't say. Might say you on the inside. Let's have a look. Where were these made? Pakistan or India? No, Cambodia actually. That's very odd. Because the pants are made in Cambodia, but they're not as soft as the ones made in India, which I have over there, which is the pink ones. It's very odd that. I don't know what they did to the pants. They must have messed something up. But yeah, this is very soft. Really like it, guys. I guess you got just a Puma logo there. The colour is not this bad actually. It's more colourful. The camera's picking up as dual, so let me put it further away so you can see. Can you see? It's more colourful, and it's not too bright. It's not too dull. It's just the right amount, which is good. That's what I like, and it's colourful, its own way, I guess. And I really like it. So let me go ahead and try this on. This is meant to be a small. This looks quite big, but yeah, it is a small apparently. It looks quite wide, so hopefully it fits. Let me go ahead and try this on now. Alright guys, put the camera up for you guys so you can have a look. Okay, I'm gonna go stand over there now. Hopefully it fits on the screen. And yeah, right, this is the front. Don't know how well you can see that actually. So yeah, it's a perfect fit for me, apart from my fat belly. It's pretty good fit. It's very comfy, it's very soft as well. Really like it. The colour is really good as well. It's a really good colour. In person it smells better. This is side profile, front profile. Don't know how well you can see it. Side profile, back. If there was a mirror where I could see myself, I don't know, but there's no mirror there, guys. But yeah, it's very comfy. I like it. It's definitely worth the money. £25. Even at full price, it wouldn't be bad. £45. But if you can get it at half the price, you might as well get it. Very nice, very nice. So yeah, anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. Definitely recommend buying this. It's not bad. If you can get a good price, go for it, guys. It's very soft. I could wear this all day. But yeah, it's very hot though. You will feel very hot in this. So if you're very cold, this is good for you. But anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. Check out all the videos. I've got clothes unboxing playlist and all that. Go check it out. And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye guys.